call it kepagia.
We call it scanty menstruation, but we call it oligomenorrhea.
They call it stroke. We call it cerebrovascular accident. They call it fainting. We call it syncope. We call it painful menstruation. We call it dysmenorrhea. We call it bad breath. We call it halitosis.
Ultrasound, we call it myocardial infarction.
We call it sore throat. We call it pharyngitis.
We call it difficulty in breathing. We call it dyspnea. High blood pressure, we call it hypertension.
They call it difficulty in swallowing. We call it dysphagia. We call it nose bleeding, but we call it epistaxis.
They call it itching. We call it pruritus.
They call it lack of sleep. We call it insomnia. They call it womb. We call it uterus.
They call it kidney stone. We call it renal calculi.
They call it fever. We call it paresthesia. We call it old in the teeth. We call it dental caries. They call it loss of appetite. We call it anorexia. We call it Apollo. We call it conjunctivitis.